So write this down first, okay? Unit 2, Day 8, and that's for November 8th. All right, so we're talking about proportion word problems. All right, so again today. Okay, all right, so now this is what we've done so far. And today I want to add a new twist to what you're doing. And then tomorrow, one more twist, and then you're going to be practicing, okay, tomorrow. So that will be our 3-day topic. Okay, all right, so let's do this like as a do now. Okay, so if 2 pounds of meat will serve 5 people, so what are we comparing here? Yeah, meat with people, right? So, okay, let's just do pounds. Okay, pounds to people. So, 2 pounds of meat is serving 5 people. Okay, how many pounds? How many pounds would be needed to serve 13 people? Okay, I think by now you know what to do here. So, okay, so we're going to take 2 times 13. That's 26. I'm getting tired here. All right, so, and then 5 times what gives you the 26? Right, so I'm going to take 26 divided by 5. That's 5.2. So it's 5.2 what? Yeah, 5.2 pounds of meat to serve 13 people. Okay? All right, so this is what we've done so far, right? Now, today I'm going to add a twist to this. So, okay, slightly short lesson, and then actually, when I come back, we're going to go online and we're going to go to different countries and we're going to go shopping. Okay, so pay extra attention here because this is completely relevant. Okay, but I wanted to show you this first so you have some idea of how to solve it. Okay, ready? Now, here, what I'm showing you is this. Don't worry about all the stuff that's on the screen. So just listen to me carefully. So let's say, right, you're traveling. Let's say your family decides to take a summer vacation to Japan. Now, you can't just land the moment you land in Japan and start going around and try to spend your American dollars, right? Because they don't use your money, right? They don't use our money over there. So what you essentially is doing is taking your money, right? US dollar, should make it in green actually. All right, that's the color of money. All right, so you take this and you say, hey, sell me your money, right? And in that case, their money is called a Japanese yen. So when you hand over $1 of your hard earned cash, right? The person in Japan who's selling you their money, right? Think of it like this, like that's all money is. You're just buying other people's money. You're using money to buy money. Okay? I know it sounds funny. So you go over there. Now the way you write the yen symbol is this Y like this with 2 slashes. Okay? So if you go over there to Japan and you hand someone $1, they're gonna hand you back 152.95 of their money, which is called yen. Okay. Now, the denomination, meaning the kind of bills they have. So a denomination in the United States will be $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100. That's a denomination. Okay. So the denomination is so high, right? As you can see, $1 is 152 yen. They don't really use this anymore. So let's just say we round to 153 yen. All right. So the question is something like this. Ready? So if $1 is equivalent to 153 Japanese yen, how many Japanese yen or how much in Japanese yen would I receive for $125? So you see what are we comparing here? Think about this. Yeah, we're comparing our money in US dollars to Japanese yen. Got that? All right, so okay, let's set a proportion then. So $1 is 153 in Japanese yen. You see why we're doing this today? All right. for 125 US dollars, right? So in other words, US dollar, US, right? How much in Japanese yen would I receive? So, right? So yen, how many yen? Okay? So here we're going to cross multiply again. So 153 times 125, what is that? That is 19,125 yen, right? So that's a lot, right? Sounds like a lot. I know. It sounds like a lot. We'll talk about that when I come back. All right? What's one times what? All right? I got to fix something. 1 times what, right, gives you 19,105. Yeah, that's it. This number, right? So our answer is 19,125 yen. That's how much we're getting back. Okay? We won't go too deep into this because we'll get like plenty of practice later on. Now, this kind of question I'm going to show you again when you're practicing on your own. Okay, so just to make sure you understand it. Okay, so why don't we go through these examples really quickly, actually, and then I'll give you some practice and then that's it. Actually, if you really want to, press pause and do these three, and I'm just going to use the opportunity to go over it with you. Okay, because I want to make sure you know how to set these up properly and get the answers by the time I come back. Okay, all right. So if there are no questions, you can press pause, do these three. If you want me to do them, keep watching. Okay? All right, I'm going to start talking because I want to go a little faster. All right. So a certain shade of green paint is made from 5 parts yellow mixed with 3 parts blue. If 2 cans of yellow are used, how many blue? So what are we comparing here? Yeah, yellow and blue, right? Like that, right? So, okay, 5 yellow is 3 blue. 2 yellow is how many blue? Okay, so that's 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times what gives you 6? So there we go. Time to use our trusty calculator. So 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. 1.2 cans of blue, even though I'm writing it in red. Okay, I know, confusing. Okay, all right, moving on. Now let's go to blue. A 4-pound roast takes 150 minutes to cook. Now, a roast is just like beef, roast beef. That's what they mean, okay? All right, so a 4-pound, what are we comparing here? Yeah, pounds to, or roast to, what? Minutes, right? Okay, so a 4-pound roast takes 150 minutes to cook. 5 pounds would take how long? So multiply. Why is it yellow? I meant to do red. It's okay. I like yellow. It's our school colors. All right, 5 times 150 is 750, I believe. 750. Right. I hope you can see this. 4 times what? Right, gives us 750. So I'll divide it by 4. So 750 divided by 4 is 187.5. 187.5 what? Minutes. 187.5 minutes. Okay. All right, last one. And then I'll just let you practice on your own. Okay, all right, so let's read. A jogger runs 2 miles, burns 185 calories. What are we measuring here? Right, miles to calories, right? So 2 miles, 185 calories. How many calories for 3 miles? Okay, so check out the proportion. So here I'm going to do 3 times 185. It's 555. All right, nice number. 2 times what gives us 555? So I'm going to divide it by 2, right? 277.5 what? Let's see, calories. Okay, now I'll just write down here. Calories. Okay, all right here. Okay, all right, so right now, let's turn the page. Press pause right now. Try these 3 to save you a little bit of time. While you're doing this, Okay, I actually don't know how to pause. Okay, I will pause. All right, so go ahead, pause, do these three. When you come back, the answer is going to be on the screen automatically. So these I won't go over, okay, just to save you a little bit of time. Okay, so press pause right now. Okay, I can pause. So just press pause and I'm just going to do these, all right, silently. Okay, all right. All right, it's weird not talking though. Student, teacher, 1575. How many? Okay, let's see. 1575, 15, 105. All right, person weighs 200 pounds on Earth. So Earth to Moon. All right, 200 over 32 on the Moon, 15 pounds on the Moon. How many on Earth? 3,000. 32 times what? Gives us 3. All right, last one. All right, so for the last one, 1 times 67. So that's 67, and then 0.77 times what? So this is a good question, actually. 0.77 times what gives you 67? Okay, so I'm going to divide 67 by 0.77. Okay, so this one's a little bit tougher. All right, 87. Okay. About 87, it's 87.01 actually. All right, it's 87.01 Great British Pounds. Okay, all right. I think that's it. The end got a little weird because I can't pause the video, so I have to like do it without talking too much. So, anyways, all right, we're done. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna we'll do one example together, and then I'll just let you practice with the classmate. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.